Hey guys, Colin here, and wanted to give a quick update on what I'm looking at right now with the Euro US dollar. So let me just simplify this a whole lot. So just coming back here, I'm on the 4-hour candle. As you can see, since May, we got into this huge descending channel, and we ran down. Let's see, this is 1.23. all the way down here to 1.15. Wow, that's about 8,000 pips. So it was a huge rundown. Had a little bounce, and then came back down again. And if you notice, since this point, let's see, June 14th and June 21st, I've identified a little channel. So a lot of times, if you want to try to identify a channel or a trend line, you want to draw a line where it touches at least 3 points, right? You want to be able to touch at least 3 points with that line. So if you look right down here with this line that I've drawn, it's a pretty good indicator in terms of this channel, because there's been great support along this line. So as you can see from here, we bounced off here, we bounced off again here, and now we did a little bounce here. This 4-hour candle still has about 54 minutes to go. What am I expecting from this right now? Based on this, I also drew another line at the top to see what we got, and as you can see here, it touched here, touched the top of this here, and it also bounced off of the top here. So this is how you kind of get an idea of a little channel that is formed. When you draw a line and that line actually touches at least 2 or 3 points within a certain period of time, that's a good idea that there's a behavior in the chart, right? That's kind of going in between this channel. So as you can see where these two lines meet, normally somewhere around here when it gets close to this area, we'll probably see another big move, whether that be a big move down. Just go ahead and just continue to break past this huge support right here, or we may just have a move back up, because this was a huge drop. So if I just ran the Fibonacci down here, I measured down here as to our levels of support, and we ran back up at least to this is pretty close. That's what I was expecting. So if we start to make a huge run up, we may run up as much as the 1.19567, or maybe even up to the 618. Usually between the 5 and the 618 is good in terms of retracement. But right now, I'm expecting some behavior between this channel, at least over the next couple of days. Okay, but there's still a lot of pips in between here, so that's the behavior that we're actually seeing. So that's what I'm looking at right now. If I use a couple other indicators, looking here at the RSI, we can see for the month of July, then this 30 line on the RSI has been a huge sign of support. So as you can see, we bounced off of it here at the end of June, bounced off of it again, made huge uptrends, and now here we are again. We came to 35, went up, now we're back down here. So for the month of June, for the month of July, this so far has shown huge support. So we're looking to see a bounce off of this. That's what I'm expecting. If it does break through, I wouldn't expect it to go much further, because as you can see, we're still looking at this particular channel that we're operating through. The stochastics, in terms of the stochastics, as you can see here, it's extremely low. It's going to signal a turn up as well. But just looking here at the basics, this is what I'm expecting in terms of this channel. It's going to be some behavior, I think, over the next couple of days between this channel, and then we'll see a big move, either back up, at least retrace this big drop here by at least 50 to 60%, or we'll continue a downtrend. All right, so just be on the lookout for that.